In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a subdomain on GoDaddy. If you want to organize your website better, create a separate section for a blog, store, landing page, or any other content, adding a subdomain is a simple and useful option. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you through the process step by step inside your GoDaddy account so you can set it up correctly and quickly. To begin, open your GoDaddy account and sign in. Once you're logged in, look for your profile area. This is usually located near the top of the page. Click on your profile to open the account menu, then select My Products. This section contains all the services and domains connected to your account, so it's where you'll manage your domain settings. After that, find the domain you want to work with and click Domain. This will take you to the management area for that specific domain. From there, click DNS to open the DNS management page. This is where GoDaddy lets you control how your domain and subdomains behave, including records, forwarding, and other settings. Once you're on the DNS page, scroll until you find the forwarding section. This is the part you'll use if you want your subdomain to send visitors to another web address. Next to subdomains, click Add Forwarding. This will open the setup form where you can enter the details for your new subdomain. Now, type in the subdomain you want to use. For example, this could be something short and relevant to the purpose of that section of your site. Make sure you enter only the subdomain part in the field provided. Then choose HTTPS if that option is available, since it helps keep the connection secure and is generally the better choice for modern websites. In the destination URL field, enter the full web address where you want the subdomain to point. Double-check the spelling and make sure the destination link is complete and correct, because even a small typo can cause the forwarding not to work properly. When everything looks good, click Save. That's it. Your subdomain forwarding has now been created. Keep in mind that changes like this may not work instantly in every case. Sometimes DNS-related updates can take a little time to fully apply, so if it doesn't appear right away, give it some time and check again later. And that's how to add a subdomain on GoDaddy.